All right, we have some news just coming in, and this is distressing piece of information that we're getting for our viewers at this point in time. An army vehicle with Jawans met with an accident. 2 Jawans have been killed here, 5 Jawans injured. Injured Jawans are being treated at a hospital. The army truck rolled down a hill. This army truck belonged to 13 Rashtriya Rifles. This incident reported from Bandipora in Kashmir.
यहाँ पर आज एक एक्सीडेंट आ गया जिसमें 5 बंदे जख्मी थे। उनमें से 2 की ब्रॉड डेड थे, तो 3 हमने रेफर किए। अभी आप देख रहे हैं हमारा जो अमला लगा हुआ है इस पे, और हमने उनको रेफर कर दिया 3 को।
तो यहाँ से कहाँ पे पेश आया?
यहाँ से ये जाएंगे मानसबल, वहाँ से फिर चॉपर से वो पहुँच जाएंगे श्रीनगर।
तो हादसा कहाँ पे पेश आया?
ये यहाँ पर जो सिवा रोड जहाँ पर है, रास्ते में ही कहीं वो गाड़ी गई थी, तो जैसे हमें इतला मिला हमने अपनी एम्बुलेंस भेजी थी और हमने उनको रिकवर करके यहाँ तक पहुँचा दिया। और उसमें से जो तीनों में से एक था जिसको हमने रिवर्ट कर दिया, मैं बड़ा मशकूर हूँ जो हमारी टीम जो हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट की है, उन्होंने उसको रिवर्ट कर दिया। CPR के एमरजेंसी में उसको, वो अभी स्टेबल है।
All right, I'm going to go straight across to Mir Farid for more details. Mir, a horrific accident that you're reporting on at this point in time. What really happened there? I understand that 2 Jawans have died. There are others, in fact, who are grievously injured. What more details can you share with us right now?
Yes, Sneha, this unfortunate bit of news coming in from Sadar Kut Pine, which is an area of Bandipora in North Kashmir, very close to the Wular waypoint. This army truck that was carrying Jawans or ferrying Jawans from one location to the other, it seems that due to the icy road conditions, the driver, while negotiating a curve, lost control. The truck rolled down a hill. And in this, now, latest I can tell you is that 2 Jawans have lost their life. They have been killed in this tragic accident, while 5 others are injured. Now, immediately after the accident, the local police army units swung into action. There was a relief, or should I say, rescue operation that was launched, and 5 Jawans who were injured were immediately evacuated to the hospital. Being told that out of the 5, 1 is critical. His condition is said to be critical, while 4 others are stable. As you're aware, right now, there are icy road conditions, slippery road conditions for as Kashmir is concerned, because it's kind of an ice age right now here, minus temperatures. And every day there have been reports of vehicles basically meeting accident because of these slippery conditions. Already advisories as far as the administration is concerned, but it seems this really was a tragic accident where the driver, this area is hilly, there are a lot of curves, it's a hilly road, and probably while negotiating or trying to tackle one such curve, the tire slipped and he lost control, and this accident happened. Sneha?
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Mir Farid getting us up to speed with those details from the accident that he is reporting on from Bandipora in Kashmir.